Monroe model here at Remington Grove features on the main level right off the foyer is a beautiful double-doored private home office. And from that home office, the foyer leads to a formal dining room that then opens to the kitchen, breakfast, and great room. In the Monroe II model, as with all KLM homes, we're using all 2x6 exterior walls. So you've got great insulation. We're using all Energy Star windows. So every one of our homes surpasses all the federal energy requirements. We use a 96% direct vent furnace system in all of our homes, direct vent quick recovery hot water heaters, radius corners on all of our drywall, and every KLM home also comes with a full basement. The Monroe model also features a beautiful center island in the kitchen that you can seat a couple of stools at for eat-in dining. In this particular case, we featured a apron front sink, and we did a two-tone cabinet layout. We did our sandstone color on the base cabinets, and we did a white on the upper cabinets. We also have a beautiful reach-in pantry. It's double-doored, lots of storage in this kitchen. Right off the kitchen from the garage entrance is a beautiful mudroom. There's a winter coat closet in there as well as a powder room. So it's very convenient access for the owners as they enter the kitchen. Upstairs in the Monroe model, we have 4 large-sized bedrooms. The master suite is particularly large. It has a vaulted ceiling in this case. It features his and hers walk-in closets, so the owners love that size of the master suite and the closets. In the master bathroom, there is 2 separate vanities for his and hers, and a separate shower and a full 6-foot soaking tub, as well as a linen closet, so lots of storage. We always put all of our mechanicals at one end of the basement or the other, so they're out of the way. Unlike most builders who will set the furnace in the middle of the house and then put the water heater on one side, everything of ours is compact in one area of the basement. That leaves the whole area for future finishing if the owner decides to do so.